So I'm Julian Atkinson. I'm a junior data scientist. So as a junior data scientist, I work within the data team, and at the moment the team I'm working in is looking at trying to improve some of the internal tools. So we're working on improving efficiency of our internal teams, and trying to find ways to speed up aerobotics. I joined Aerobotics in June of this year, so I'm about to hit my 4-month mark. Before joining Aerobotics, I studied engineering and did my master's in biomechanical engineering, and I worked for a short while as a research engineer overseas. When I'm not at Aerobotics, I'm preferably somewhere outdoors, whether it's climbing the mountains or just hiking, or preferably an outdoor activity. First thing I do when I get to the office is get a coffee. It's the daily routine. If I could have lunch with one person, it would probably be Bill Gates. I think he's an interesting guy and thought a lot about how to solve the world's problems.